What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of RC Voodoo. I just got back from Axialfest Badlands 2021 and was talking to a couple friends, and they're asking me what all came in the goodie bag. So I thought I'd do a quick video and show you what comes in the Axialfest 2021 Badlands goodie bag. So when you first get there, you get your 3-day pass, registration, and lanyard. Most of yours will be have your name in text. There was an issue with my pre-registration, so they had to manually go back, make me a badge, and then laminate it. But no big deal. On the back is a itinerary of the events and what time, and you know, that's the first thing you get. So you get this bag. This is one of the little duffel bags, drawstring, put on your back. So you get that. Inside you get an Axialfest velcro back trucker's cap. You get Axialfest sticker sheet. There's actually some pretty cool stickers on here. Let's see. You get, this is a Nitto backpack, lightweight, zipper, inner pouch. You can put your water bottles, one on each side. Loop for your key ring, whatever. Adjustable straps. So you get the Nitto backpack. See what else we got in here. Reefs RC sticker sheet. Summit Racing Equipment sticker sheet. Get the RC four-wheel drive vinyl. This, of course, you got to peel this off the backing paper, stick it on, then peel. Heatwavevisual.com sticker. So I'm sure they was some sponsor in some sort of way. Another Axial sticker sheet. Got different license plates. Indiana, of course, is where the state the event was held. My mud life crisis, kiss my rut, gonna have to face it, you're addicted to mud. Got the problem, no problem sticker. So this is a nice little sticker sheet here. And then this one is just Axial and Horizon logo sticker sheet. Get a lot of stickers. Let's see. Thanking you to the top, Team G, business card. There's all their social media information on there. RPP Hobby, Gearhead stickers. You get this really nice rubberized Axialfest Badlands 2021 velcro patch. Really thick, nice rubberized patch there. Summit Racing koozie. Axialfest koozie. Gearhead RPP lanyard with the quick release. Balkan tires, sticker sheets. That's pretty thick. Let me see what exactly that is. That's a magnet or a bumper sticker. What the big one is. Okay, this is a magnet. It's like bumper sticker size, full size car, magnetized back. And this is also magnetized back. I don't know if those are stickers or... I don't know. I think they're supposed to be stickers. No, these are individual magnets. So that's pretty cool. Get this out of the way. Got a RC four-wheel drive pin. Some axial chapstick. Not that we needed it there. It literally rained like crazy, but actually there was quite a few sunburns. I saw several lobsters walking around. That's the Curry Enterprises koozie. Axialfest t-shirt. Let me show you the logo here. Axialfest 2021. It has Horizon Hobbies on the sleeve. See what else we got. RPP Hobby pin. RC four-wheel drive 20th anniversary button. And that's it, as well as the bag. So, oh, didn't know if this dropped out. Axial keychain. So that is what you get in the Axialfest 2021 Badlands goodie bag. That's it. That's what come in it. Hope this answered some of y'all's questions. That's going to do it. Until next time, take care.